Hello bogies! We're in the garage and it's getting colder. Thought winter's over. Yeah, just going to leave this for the moment because I'm not too sure if it's supposed to go under. If it goes under, I should maybe make it go under the sill. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to start on this floor, I think. Again, start on the floor. So we're not far off, we just got to crack on with it and get on with it. So what I need to do, I think, is I need to roll the car back round. So I can do multiple things. One, clean up both these edges on the bottom of the doorstep. Just got a bit of old skin there. And the other key bit is working on the old floor panel that goes inside and up the bulkhead slightly, which needs all grinding off. Not too sure if I can do that. Yeah, I think it's easy to roll it off. What we're going to do is also cut this box section off as well. Got another one on order, and just get it out of the way. It's too far, it's not too far gone. I could cut half of it off and repair it all, but I've decided time is money. And yeah, we'll just do that. So anyway, what's mostly worth doing as well is just repairing this panel that comes down. Hopefully you guys can see in a door while we're at this sort of angle as well, because the floor sort of overlaps onto it, sort of thing. So it's a bit easier to do. I think I forgot to do it the other side, so it's a bit of a pain. But yeah, all wodgely good. Alright, it's cold and I'm just ignoring things. Let's get on and do something. Okay, car's rolled over now. So what I'm going to do is try and climb in there and cut the cross member out, bang off, and then grind the old floor away that's just along there and goes up the front of the bulkhead slightly. Bit of MIG weld, bit of spot welds in there, and depends if it's been repaired before. And then we won't be far off, as I said, just cleaning up the doorstep edge that you can't see because it's behind the cross member. So yeah, let's get on and stop talking and warm ourselves up. Alright lads, I don't know about 80% of it. I don't know what the time is, but it's very noisy and grinding, and my stupid phone goes flat so quickly. Anyway, yeah, getting there with that. It's just a case of just cutting lots of tiny little squares and triangles and just picking bits out. Yeah, I don't know how many times you saw the gear knob keep hitting me in the head, but yeah, that was annoying, but luckily I didn't poke myself in the eye. So yeah, looks like I need to do a bit of a bulkhead repair. There's a few holes down there, and especially where there's like a double plate as well where the subframe mounts through. Just needs cleaning up and grinding off and a new bit welded in. But yeah, I'll continue grinding that later on in the next day, because yeah, as I said, it's just a slow, laborious work. And I've got pins and needles in my feet as well. That didn't help. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. It's nice to see the door again, this side. shuts. So yeah, that's all good. Yeah, so I spent about an hour doing that, so you might think I've just been wasting my time, but no. So yeah, we need to get this done, don't we? Still after bonnet hinges, Mark 1s. Shout if you see some links on eBay or whatever. I'm a bit dubious about the ones that do say Mark 1s on eBay, the patent ones, but I should have a check to see if M-Machine do them and stuff. So we'll have a look at that. What else do we need to start going to do? Yeah, you saw me cut the cross box section off, the cross member where the seat cross member. Got under all the seat belts, they're not original. We'll take out all the gear linkage. Handbrakes all got to come out now. Again, we're still planning on the shot blaster coming down at some point, and then we'll get it in some epoxy primer straight after that. But that's, I'm hoping it's got to be February. It's got to be February. Keep on trucking. But yeah, and then we've got the West Besto sunroof that we've got to look at as well. But that can be done very last thing, because you know I can paint the whole lot and that can just be sitting there waiting to be done. So that's good. No progress with the engine yet. Dad's still a bit cold for him, so he's doing a bits and bobs. But we got the Ep80 gearbox to put back onto that, because I want to try and keep the internal gear linkage that this is. It's like a special retro mod at the time. So yeah. Alright, let's call it a night. Let's go have a beer. What did we have for dinner tonight? Oh yeah, mother-in-law works for Waitrose. They were giving away turkeys, so we had a nice turkey roast Christmas dinner. So that's very nice. It's always nice when I don't have to cook. So yeah. Anyway, that'll do. Tomorrow's Friday. We're getting there. We're getting there. Loads of things going on with the race car as well, but again, check out the other videos for that. It's looking quite wide, a Subaru, so we don't know what we're doing there. But anyway, bye bye for now.